If you love Disney travel a lot or visit the parks, often there's a very high chance you've seen the Chase Disney credit card online. Because honestly, Disney fans talk about this card constantly, especially because of all the Disney-themed perks and rewards. But is this card actually magical in 2026, or is it just clever Disney marketing wrapped around an average credit card? Because, honestly, online opinions about this card are very mixed. So, in this video, we're talking about the real truth behind the Chase Disney credit card, the pros and cons, what users are saying, and whether this card is actually worth getting in 2026 first. What is the Chase Disney credit card? The official cards are the Disney Visa card and Disney Premier Visa card issued by Chase. They're designed mainly for Disney fans who spend money on Disney parks, Disney vacations, Disney merchandise, movies, and travel. And honestly, the biggest reason people get these cards is not usually the cash back, it's the Disney perks and branding. Now, let's talk about the biggest thing. People like Disney rewards. Depending on the card version, you can earn rewards, dollars on purchases, which can later be used toward Disney parks, Disney hotels, Disney cruises, Disney store purchases, and other Disney-related spending. And honestly, for hardcore Disney fans, that ecosystem can feel pretty fun. Now, another thing, people enjoy exclusive Disney perks. Some cardholders get access to things like special character, meet and greet photo opportunities, discounts inside Disney parks, discounts on Disney merchandise, and occasional vacation financing offers. And honestly, this is the part Disney fans usually care about most, because the card experience feels connected to the Disney brand itself. Now let's talk about the big criticism, because honestly, this is where many financial experts become skeptical. The rewards rates are usually considered mediocre compared to stronger travel or cash back cards. And a lot of users online say you can often earn much better rewards using normal travel cards instead, especially cards with higher flat cash back or flexible travel points. Now, another important thing, many people apply for the card expecting massive Disney benefits, then realize the perks are honestly more limited than they imagined, especially if they do not visit Disney parks regularly. Now let's talk about the annual fee, because this depends on the version. The basic Disney Visa has no annual fee, while the Disney Premier version charges a yearly fee in exchange for stronger rewards and additional perks. And honestly, this is where people start comparing it heavily to other travel cards, because once annual fees enter the conversation, competition becomes much tougher. Now, another thing, users mention the card designs, because, honestly, this may sound silly, but many Disney fans genuinely love the customizable Disney card artwork, especially designs featuring Mickey Mouse, Star Wars, Marveler, Disney characters, and yes, for many fans, that emotional connection actually matters. Now, let's talk about who this card probably makes the most sense for. Because honestly, this card is mainly for Disney lovers, families visiting Disney parks, often, or people already spending heavily inside the Disney ecosystem, especially users who value Disney experiences more than maximizing pure financial rewards. Now, let's talk about the negatives again, because honestly, there are several. First, many users feel the reward system is weaker than competitors, especially compared to premium travel cards. Now, another complaint, some perks are very niche, meaning they only become useful if you visit Disney properties frequently. And honestly, if you only go to Disney once every few years, the card may not feel very valuable. Now let's be honest for a second. The IRC Chase Disney credit card is probably not the best pure rewards card available in 2026, because honestly, There are stronger travel and cashback cards financially, but for dedicated Disney fans, the emotional value and Disney perks may still make the card genuinely enjoyable. Especially for families already spending heavily on Disney vacations every year. So to wrap this up, the Chase Disney credit card is really more about the Disney experience than maximizing rewards if you love Disney parks. Disney vacations, Disney merchandise, and themed perks. You may honestly enjoy it a lot, but if your main goal is simply getting the best financial rewards possible, there are probably stronger credit card options available in 2026.